Did you know that 90% of educators believe that AI could transform the way we teach? Have you ever wondered how we can make high-quality educational content accessible to everyone, regardless of budget? Well, stick around because today we're diving into a game-changing topic. Today, we're exploring something super exciting, creating free AI educational videos and animations. In a world where learning is evolving faster than ever, being able to create engaging content without breaking the bank is crucial. So let's get into it. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Educators everywhere struggle with creating engaging and professional-looking content. You know how it is time-consuming, expensive, and often you just don't have the right tools. Video production can cost a fortune, and not everyone has access to video editors or animation software. Many educators find themselves stuck, wishing they could create captivating learning materials, but feeling overwhelmed by the costs and complexities. This is where our AI tools come into play, offering a light at the end of the tunnel. So, what are these magical tools? Let's break it down. There are several free platforms out there that harness the power of AI to help you create educational videos and animations. For starters, we have tools like Canva, which offers a user-friendly interface, where you can design stunning graphics and simple animations without any design experience. Then there's Lumen 5, which turns your text into engaging videos using AI. You just input your script, and it does the rest. Another amazing option is Powtoon, perfect for creating animated presentations that can really captivate your audience. These platforms not only save you money, but also save you time, allowing you to focus on what really matters: your content. Alright, now for the fun part. Let me show you how easy it is to create an AI educational video using one of these platforms. Let's pick Lumen 5. First, you'll want to sign up for a free account. However, just like most services that offer a free plan, there are some caveats. With Lumen 5, you can create up to 5 videos a month, but in 720p video resolution. This may be good enough. Another thing to note is that your videos will contain a Lumen 5 watermark at the end of the video. Once you're in, you can choose a template that fits your theme. For this demo, let's choose Origin template. The next stage is choosing a video format, so think about where you'll be posting this. On Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or a custom size. Click on Use this template. Next, then click Text on Media. Next, just paste your script into the text box. Click on Compose Script. Click on Continue. Now let's click on Convert to Video. Now it's generating. This may take a few moments depending on how long your content is. If we scroll down, still finding, selecting media. So the AI found a piece of stock video relevant to that. Lumen 5 will automatically generate a video storyboard for you. Alright, so it's done. You can select a different design from the options right here. It's as simple as dragging and dropping. And here's what it looks like. We can preview individual sections by clicking Preview. You may have noticed the background music too, so if we click on Music, then change the background music according to what you want. repeat the same steps. So all we need to do now is to either preview it to make sure that everything's right, or we can simply publish it. Let's click on Publish. It'll play the video as you can see right here. And it is generating the download file once you've published. It'll take a while to generate the actual download link, and once it is generated, you can see a preview of the video. And this page is actually shareable, so anyone with the link can view your page, or you can set it to private. But for your use, you'll most likely download the video and then upload it to the appropriate social media platform. And just like that, you've created your first educational video. Isn't that awesome? The best part? You can do all of this without spending a dime. To wrap things up, we've explored how creating free AI educational videos and animations is not only possible, but also super easy and effective. We've discussed the challenges educators face in content creation and highlighted several fantastic tools that can help. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these tools? What are your thoughts or questions about creating AI educational videos? Drop your comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our next one, where we dive deeper into more cool educational tools you can use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.